For more than 100 years, Minds magazine has been a publication dedicated to telling the stories of Colorado School of Mines. It focuses on Orediggers, the problems they work tirelessly to solve, and the ways in which they change the world for the better. Over the years, the magazine's content and design has evolved to better tell these stories. In spring 2020, Minds unveiled a new iteration of the magazine with a fresh editorial direction and design that improves how Orediggers share their stories and stay connected to their alma mater. Early editions of Minds magazine laid the groundwork for the publication today. Staff delved deep into the Minds magazine and the Prospector archives for content and design inspiration. What resulted was a new editorial approach that merges technical perspectives with human interest storytelling. Many stories are rooted in Minds' foundational areas such as mining and energy, while others focus on emerging areas such as robotics and microgravity. But overall, Minds magazine focuses on telling stories about Orediggers who are using their expertise to make a positive difference in the world. The magazine's new design also illuminates our hopes for the future while reflecting on where we've come from. The redesigned masthead on the cover is no longer restricted by a box, conveying a sense of freedom and modernity. This was carried into the internal pages, where clean headlines have more room to breathe and allows for more artistic page designs with modern, expressive photos. A new connection sticker along the bottom of many pages keeps Orediggers up to date with colleagues and friends. And we've brought back the class notes section to make it easier for alumni to celebrate their classmates. This sense of past and present is even reflected in our cover image, which harkens back to what Minds is historically best known for, mining education. But the story it illustrates examines how mining has evolved to remain a critical component of modern society. Despite the changes over the years, Minds magazine's focus continues to be the Minds alumni who create positive change in their communities, industries, and alma mater. We hope each issue will inform, inspire, and make alumni feel proud of Minds and their fellow Orediggers.